Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and guess what? I've got another unbagging. Guess from where it's from. You guessed it, Amazon. I've gotten to where I've done so many of these that it's just like same old, same old, same old. So I'm trying to liven it up just a little bit. How am I doing, y'all? Okay, whatever. Anyway. To all my subscribers, thank you. Hi. Hope everybody's having a great day. And if you're new, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to let you know when I get another video out. And hey, give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you like what you're seeing, and it does help my channel. So, y'all want to know what this one is? Okay, I'll tell you anyway. All right, it is another poured glue canvas from Amazon. I gave $4.99 for this, and it is another rhinestone. Okay, so if you've seen my last video, or I don't know if this video is coming up behind that other video. But anyway, if you've seen the other video, the one that kind of looked like this, it was called a monkey. I don't think it's a monkey. I think it's a bear, but whatever. What do I know? I don't know. So, that's got a little bit of trash up in there. All right, so as you can see, this is a panda bear. Now, says panda, it is a panda. So, whoever named this one got it right. Alright, so with the other canvas, I did measure it, and the drill field is a 25 by 25 centimeter. The whole thing is a 30 by 30. So, just want to get that out of the way because they don't put the size on the canvas. Alright, so $4.99 for the panda. Now, with this one, you get your average toolkit, green boat, pink wax, pink pen. Nothing more. All right, now we're going to look at the drills. And let's see what we got. All right, so we have got some great big white drills. And this is C. So C goes in the eyes. And then there's one in his little foot. So there's 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's some scattered through here. Okay, I thought I was going to get a lot more, but I bet I end up using most of these. I might have 1 or 2 left of these. So, I get excited when I get any of these left over. I need to come up with something to do with my leftovers instead of just shoving them in a box. Alright, so here are the colors. Look, in the camera, this looks like a green-yellow, but out here with the naked eye, you can barely tell it's a yellow. I mean, it's pale, but in the camera, it just shows so much brighter. So you got some greens, and there's some more greens. Those are a darker green. And then we have some yellow. And is that pink or is that red? Can't tell from here. All right, and then we have black, and then we have white. So, I'm just looking to see if possibly these have got a code on them, and they do not. Nope. Oh, well. Alright, so anyway, that's white and that's black. So, no DMC number type nothings. So, these will go in my drill storage with they'll just go in there. I'll put anything I have left over in an individual baggie and just leave it blank because I have no clue as what the numbers are. Alright, so there are 11 colors, and it is 1 through 9 with A and C. All right, we have got the, Lord, my mind just went blank. Thumbnail. The thumbnail. Duh. We have the thumbnail up at the top. We have the name of the canvas, which is a panda, and then we have the canvas number. The schematic legend, whatever you want to call it, is on the top left and the bottom right, and it also has another thumbnail on the top right. All right, so we have a bird who is in a tree. There's the panda, his little foot, and he's got some, a leaf or something in his mouth, twig, leaf, whatever you want to call it. All right, so I'll bring you down, and you can look in the drill field. Everything looks pretty clear. And I think my camera is just not wanting to focus. Like right there in that leaf. It's kind of dark, but I think it's mostly my camera. But these are also, I think, considered bubble rounds, just because there are some bigger crystals scattered around. And I think that's what makes it what they call bubble rounds. Now, I've had a couple canvases that there were different shape or different size drills in the whole thing, which made it look bubbly. But this has just got a few scattered in here, so I don't know if that, I don't think so. No, because those are these. So I think it's just, you know, kind of like an accent or something. I don't think this is considered a bubble round. But all right, so what do y'all think about this one? Have y'all seen these on Amazon? Has anybody done them? Because I know there's quite a few, and I was trying to get all of them. And I don't even remember what I have. I know I've got the monkey, and then I've got this one, and let's see, I had, I don't know. You'll have to go back and look at my other videos, because I know I've unboxed a few that were kind of like this. So, all right, y'all. So that's it on this video, and I hope everybody is having a great day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.